On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
What is going on? We got the apple juice, baby. Let's go. It's 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. We catching a vibe with that beat, aren't we? We catching a vibe with that beat. What's going on, my friends? What is going on with Matic? What is going on with my mods? Lunar Beaches, Crypto, Nick Musgrave, Steve H, Jonathan Schaefer. What's going on? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. How we all doing here? Let's go. Let's go. Who cracked those Christmas crackers? We gonna wear the crown tonight. All right? We gonna wear, this is the Christmas special, baby. Let's go. What's going on, chat? We got Mario in the chat. What's going on, Mario? We called that Matic trade. We called that Matic trade. Crypto Pollo, the best chicken in all Bitcoin. Yes, we do. Got the juice box again. I think we'll make the juice box part of the style here, you know. Crypto Chef asking about Matic. We called this Matic long. We're pretty proud of that. Jeet Corp coming through. Mr. J coming through. My guys. How's it going, man? Bada bang, it's the Otter Gang. Man, you guys are getting me pumped already, man. So, how was everybody's Christmas, guys? How was everybody's Christmas? I know we all hanging out. We all hanging out with jolly good old Saint Nick here. But I'm here to hang out with you guys, okay? I'm here to hang out with you guys. Even though it's Boxing Day, are we going to get the Boxing Day gloves on? To the upside uppercuts. We got Matic flying off the handles. My God, this is automatic. This is automatic. My God. What a move. What a move. So you guys all had a good Christmas, eh? You know, I had a mixed bag at Christmas. So what happened yesterday? Okay, my aunts came in, my mom came here, and we had, about 15 people yesterday. 15 people for our get-together. It was quite nice. We all had the turkey and all that stuff. But what happened was my grandfather, unfortunately, had a fall in the morning. So it was tough goings in the morning. My grandfather had a fall. I heard it, had to pick him up. And That's part of life. You know, it reminds me what's important. I'm here taking care of my grandparents, number one. Number two is health is wealth, baby. You know, we're all here to fill up our bags and make a lot of profits, but health is wealth. So I was able to take care of him, and we were able to have a good family dinner. He didn't hurt himself too bad, but, you know, the thud, bang, boom, bang, you know, and it shakes you up a bit, okay? Okay, especially when it's people you love. But on the other hand, you know, we had a big, huge gathering of friends and family and people who care about each other. Just like we have a great community here, people who care about each other. Much love to every single one of you guys. You know, we have such great mods, such great people here coming through, helping one another, right? I'm grateful for all you guys. It's important. Community is important, right? You know, I'm humbled by this privilege of being able to live stream, day trade for a living, and, you know, be present for my family, right? And be present for you guys and try to do my best to try to help you guys on your trading journeys and try to get some profits, right? So we did have this ADA call. Join us in the free Discord. The TA's here. We make some calls. Sometimes we miss them. But I mean, look at this Matic call, right? This was days ago. There's the Matic call, right? This was before it happened. We could see the beautiful, beautiful symmetrical triangle looking for the breakout. What's going on, Melissa? What's going on? Man, family and health, very good. Add faith, my friend. Absolutely. You got to believe in that God of your own understanding. God is great. Faith and trust. It's all important. We got Billy Goat Tales tonight, guys. See, my friend Billy here, he messaged me. To remind you guys here. We'll open it with Chrome here. We'll pull it up. Set reminder for the Billy Goat Tales tonight. Our friend Billy on faith in business, right? Faith is hard to have in business. So make sure you join us tonight. I'll be on there. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Billy Goat Tales. We're looking forward to that as a community. Billy always reminds me. I love Billy. Billy does a lot for this community. And guys, on Christmas, since we've been coming live, we finally got monetized, okay? So there's now memberships and super chats and all that stuff. And however, this is the main thing, is that I don't want your money. This is not for you to give me your money. This is just to support the channel. And then we'll probably just give it back to you guys, because we don't want any money here. We just want to try and help people learn. We want to grow as a community. We want traders helping traders. That's what it's all about here. And sometimes we ask, have you heard about TRB? Because that's just the way we roll. We'll go over here. And of course, we couldn't let you just hear it once, can we? Got to hear it twice. Because it's bomb. Let's go. I love you all. Thank you so much. Oh my God. The first one ever to super chat is Steve H. Oh my God. The first ever super chat goes down to Brewberry. Steve H. We got our first member, B-Team Crypto. This is crazy. You guys get out of here, man. You guys get out of here. Let's go.
What you know about juice? Making them moves. That of no casual breaking the news.
Let's go, man. I love you, Pollo. God bless you, man. God bless you and your family. You guys are amazing. When you following us, the result is a pen full of fat pockets. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. I love every single one of you guys. So do you guys want to go over Matic? Or do you guys want to go over, man, B-Team Crypto, man? Was my first membership gifter? Yes, you were, Pollo. Pollo popping cherries, man. That's amazing. I love you guys.
Fan base like my wallet,
Oh
yo.
no,
Stay true to
Schaefer's
the digital.
coming through,
Alexo, crypto. Undercover, better
TRP
sit
took
low.
my
The
money.
product base, but it's drip though.
You guys stop
Get
it,
back
man.
when the chips
You guys
low.
stop it.
Alexo,
Behave yourselves.
Crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan
Behave
base like my
yourselves.
wallet, yo. Stay
We're gonna
true
go over
to the
Bitcoin.
digital.
Matic's
Alexo,
pumping, man. Like
crypto.
right now, we got some. I love you guys, man. Matic's got a long way to go, man. God bless you all. God bless you all. Outer gang. You can thank Jonathan Schaefer for some of those cool emojis. Let's go, man. Let's go. Man, I love you guys. I love you guys. I don't feel like I deserve it. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Okay, so we hit our target with the Matic trade, okay? Let's pull some levels just to see. Just to see where we're at. Just to see. Okay, let's go from the swing high to the swing low here, guys. And let's pull some volume across the tops here. Oh, we got some volume up here mostly. So let's check out this area here. Okay, point of control here. My God. Hola, Sin City Crypto in the chat. What's going on? Merry Christmas to Sin City Crypto, man. I hope you're doing well. God bless you guys. Hope you had a wonderful day, a wonderful Christmas. Good to see you. I mean, I'm being blessed by the community today somehow. It's Boxing Day, baby. I want to see that. You guys were discussing a little bit of a boxing match. I would like to see Rob. Oh no! Anyone want to pay the traffic ticket? No. Thank you so much, man. All is well. We had a great family dinner last night. I mean, too blessed to be stressed, man. We have such a great community here, and we appreciate your community, and we're very grateful for you guys having us on in the past. You know, it means a lot to me to have the privilege to be on such a quality show such as yours. It's truly an honor. So thank you so much for being our friends, man. 5 miles over. Oh my God. That's brutal. In Canada, we drive 20 kilometers. So I guess that's like 10 miles. And they don't say anything. So it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild. That's not fair. That's not fair. Key resistance on Matic. So we have some entry levels here to higher volume prices that we are watching. You can see that we did have that beautiful level there that has been respected in our target to the upside. We are continuing to make higher highs, and you can see the beautiful continuation pattern here on the money flow. And Matic is suppressed, okay? So like it hasn't had such a move like Solana or Avalanche or any of those. And when we did get this massive dump down, we can simply see that like typically Bitcoin's trading around here. I don't know why this is red. This is typically green. Let's go, okay? So typically Bitcoin's trading up around this area. Matic had a nice move through that the bear cycle down there, and then it got suppressed, and now it's finally crawling its way up. It had a little bit of FUD, okay? So I think it's just trying to catch up here, and we can hopefully see a similar move on ETH. But, you know, that's Solana, you know, that thing is moving. What's going on, Darren Does Things? Much love to you guys. Much love, Sin City Crypto, B Team Crypto, the first member, DDT, Melissa, with the super chat, Full Moon Manifesting, sending good vibes. So, I mean, Melissa, she's like, I mean, when you talk about TA, it's like horoscopes for men, right? But then we got Melissa, who's, you know, she's one of the outer gangs, tried and true. And we love you, Melissa, and we know that we definitely have a full moon brewing, okay? Now, you may think we're all crazy and woo-woo and spiritual here, but we are. We love God. God is cool. You know, we just celebrated Jesus' birthday, okay? So let's not forget that we got a full moon. Could we get a Jesus pump here? Could we get that full moon pump here? Look at what happened last time, okay? Every time there is a full moon or a new moon, we get a pump or a dump, okay? And if you go back in history of the stock market, people used to just solely trade on actual astrology, okay? Because it moves emotions, right? It moves emotions. And if you just longed these moons and shorted the new moons, you could have made some bank, okay? You could have made some bank. When you get to alt levels on DOT, my long from 7.66 still open, and I want to add to it. Okay, we'll definitely go over DOT. But Merry Christmas to everybody, and thank you guys so much for being a part of this community. So we are aware that we do have the full moon, okay, guys? Now, I'm not saying trade the this is not financial advice, but we have a full moon brewing, okay? So let's be careful of the full moons because they do tend to pump, man. Your odds are in the favor of a pump here. Now, what's lurking? What's lurking, my friends? We got the ETF, right? We got the ETF, and we did a poll in our free Discord of which one you guys thought was going to happen, right? And we have the red, the yellow, and the green. And a lot of you guys are saying the yellow. So a crawl sideways, a pump, and then a dump on the ETF news. So we will look at near as well. So near and dot, absolutely. Much love, and we'll look at near and dot after Bitcoin. So we're looking for this crawl sideways, and what I've been looking at, okay, even during the holidays times, did any of you guys like sneak away while eating turkey and check the charts? Because I did. So, so I like this trend line, okay, and that's, pardon me, for multiple. Dre here from Candles Discord. What's going on, Dre? Much love to you. Thank you so much for joining us. I think Frank said he is still traveling, so he might not be here till tomorrow. I think he said something like that. So yeah, Frankie will be back tomorrow. That's awesome. Much love to Frankie Candles. Oh my God. Dave Digital, super chat. Guys, stop this, okay? Congrats, Bo. You made it to the big time. Otter Gang, Candle Mafia. Heart. Man, does this mean we have to stop talking about the cock in you? We're going to be talking about cock in you until the day of pumps and dumps, okay? Till the day of pumps and dumps. So we were looking at this 41,500 area. We shared this in the Discord. It is simply beautiful. There's multiple confluences here, okay? So I was looking at a whole bunch of things here. So we can see that we got our beautiful 618 golden pocket here that we were looking for a bounce, okay? There's also some key levels. We have the trend line here coming up as well. We're also looking at there's a daily down here. So we'll pull up some more on their charts. I'm just all flustered about all these super chats and stuff, man. My God, I don't even know what to do. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing, man. You got me all up in my feelings today. So we had a daily and a point of control. So we came back down and bounced to this point of control as well. So there's multiple confluences at this level. And I said on the Discord that we're probably looking at 42,000, and we came down, touched 41.5 and bounced. So we can see that we are looking to put in a higher low. However, ETF lurking, there's some multiple things. For me right now, guys, the main thing is that we need to see us get above this 2 out of 2 here. This is just an extension, trend-based extension level, this 2 out of 2. So for me, we need to get above here to continue bullish, in my opinion. Otherwise, we're looking for this fall down, and we're looking to come down below where our CME gap is. And that to me would be down here, and this would be an extreme level of where we're looking to buy up some Bitcoin, okay? We've had a massive push down throughout the rally. So we've had Solana pushing up. Now we see BTC falling and Solana falling as well. Okay, so Santa wasn't too kind to us. Maybe we were getting too bullish. Maybe Santa just wanted us to not be able to buy as many juice boxes. So we're definitely being patient here. So it is holiday season. So not a lot of people are trading right now. So that could mean, lower volatility. Okay. Stop being a little Dave Digital says, super chat, stop being a little bleach. There's no crying on YouTube. Okay. Dave. We're here for the TA. We're here for the TA. So we were looking for this level nonetheless. Okay, so as we flip through here, let's go. Let's go. So we got a reset. We want to see the more we crab sideways, the more possibility there is for upside. Okay. Oh no, French Toaster's throwing the Alex O crypto signs. I haven't seen an emoji like that in my chat before, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. Get out of here, guys. Get out of here. Get that garbage out of here, okay? So on the daily, you can see that we're getting this lower low and lower low continuation. So this to me spells more downside. However, like I said with the market, it's very much slow volume right now, considering it is the holiday season. Now, we did get the printing of this red dot. Okay, so this is interesting. And I know DDT definitely pointed this out, where we were looking for the red dot to confirm down, right? And then I think you were saying something like this with the bearish divergence. So, I mean, having such a great community and having people here sharing their ideas is what it's all about. We're all traders trying to help each other. So, man, you guys stop it with those laser-eyed otters in the chat, okay? You guys stop it. So you can see here, I can't focus. I'm going to have to turn the chat off. It's over on my left here. I'm going to turn the chat off. I'm going to turn the chat off if you guys continue. Where's the point? We'll have to get a chicken emoji. We'll have to get a chicken emoji. My God. You guys cut it out, okay? So we are looking for a bounce from here, and the more we crawl sideways, the more possibility there is for upside. We know that the ETF is coming, okay? January 3rd, they're saying they're going to put $10 million into it, okay? That ain't far. That's right here, okay? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days or something like that. That's wild, okay? I'm going to move this chat. You guys cut it out, okay? I can't focus right now. I'm sweating. I'm sweating, and it's cool in here. It's Canada. Come on, man. And Whiskey wants BTC to drop price, so 125x leverage is more powerful. The 1 week bear div eventually is one of my options. See, he's always got multiple plans. This Darren Does Things guy. Oh man, cut it out, Dave. You're making me lose focus here. Bitcoin chicken. Yes, that's a good one. We'll combine the coin and the chicken emoji into one for Crypto Pollo, and we'll make a emoji. That'll be on my list. So the 2-day here looks to cool off as well. The only thing that negates all this is the money flow, right? We can see the money flow is so steep right now. And even if we turn on like an EMA or anything like that, like if you're just longing this 21 EMA, like, I mean, you're getting these beautiful pullbacks all the way through. And if you want to do an even better, you can go to Chart Prime and you can go on the 4-hour. And the same thing with the Chart Prime 4-hour dynamic reactor. It's acted as beautiful support as well. Okay, so you can see we're actually right at the 4-hour dynamic reactor as we speak. Okay, so we dropped below it. We've done it a couple times, but it's acted as an insane amount of support right now. Yes, we are bearish. We got the sell signal. We've had a 1 take profit, but right now it looks like it's holding. So it's looking pretty strong if we are to bounce from this area. Now we came down and we were wondering, okay, where is all the liquidity? So what do? I go over to see where the liquidity lies, right? And for me, that's very simple. You can go over to any heat map, but I like CoinGlass for their heat map. You can simply pull this up, and you can see that there is a lot of shorts up here. Okay, there is a lot of shorts that we could go and look to hunt. Okay, there is quite a bit. There's less liquidity down below. However, we know a lot of people are longing because of the funding rate. It's pretty crazy bullish right now. But there is a lot of liquidity sitting at $44,000. Okay, so that's something to keep an eye on. I'm going to blow my nose. Oh my God, Slam Banjo. Guys, Slam Banjo's first super chat ever. Pew, pew. I got to get the cowboy hat out. I mean, I don't know if I've worn the cowboy hat and a crown at the same time. Pew. Pew. Slam Banjo, what's going on, man? Thank you so much, Slam Banjo. First super chat ever. And he gave me the cowboy hat, man. Thank you so much for being here. Slam Banjo, my man. I love this community. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. So let's go back to the daily. We're talking about creeping sideways here, and we're oscillating here above the 50% mark. Okay, so for me, this is continuation of bullishness. Okay, until we cross over that zero line on the daily, unless it's a trigger wave such as before over here, which was massive, right? That daily trigger wave. Look at that daily trigger wave, right? Massive. That's what really catapulted us to higher prices. Now, until we oscillate down below there, to me, this is just continuing to push, right? It's continuing to push, and it's telling me, as we reset, there's the opportunity to long, right? The opportunity is to long. So we look for the reset, and how do we do that? We look on lower time frames for more confluence, right? We can see money flow is starting to come out, which can be a worrisome thing. So we're watching that, and what will lead the way is we'll look at the VWAP here to posture to the upside, and that's definitely something we're going to keep an eye on for sure. Okay, let's flip down to the 12. The 12 hour for me on Bitcoin is we got this bullish divergence, pushed us up. Now we are looking to have a continuation. So a continuation would simply be a higher high here on the momentum wave and on the price action, right? But we need to see the VWAP initially turn, and then for the posturing of the money flow to curve back up, okay? Because you can see it's clearly come out. It's clearly come out. But if we can see something like this at the zero line, and we can see this printed green dot and continue upwards, well, then we're going to fly, right? We're going to fly. And you can also see one thing that's a very good sign here is up above here, we can see our stochastic. Now, our stochastic hasn't crossed the zero or this midline here, the zero line for the stochastic, okay? It hasn't crossed over into the negative area, which is typically down here. So you can see it's just oscillated up here. It hasn't really dropped down. And you see whenever it has, it's actually popped off quite nicely, okay? Right here, it popped off quite nicely, and we got a massive move. So if we do dip our toes right here on the stochastics, this could mean that we could be looking for another upturn here. We got the beautiful separation, which typically indicates we could be having a bigger move where the purple line catches up with the red line and turns green, okay? So that's an early indication sign that we could be looking to pop off from here. Yo, just came over from the Mafia. Good support the squad, boys. What's going on, Chris? Much love to every single one of you. I'm a old school Mafia member. I think I can prove it. You want me to prove it? I can go over to the Candles Discord. We can go over to Frankie. We love Frankie here. Frankie's a real OG. We can go to, what is it, the economy, and you look at your rank. Where do you look at your rank? Levels here. Let's go rank. What's Alexo Crypto? We've been part of Frankie's Oh, I'm 19th, man. I'm still 19th. Look at that. Look at that. Much love to the Candle Mafia, guys. We love Frank. Frank is a great man. Much love to you guys. Thank you guys coming over and supporting this channel. We appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys. Merry Christmas to everybody, man. Merry Christmas. Hope you're all doing well. So we're looking for a trigger wave here on a lower term time frame. We're not getting it on the 12-hour just yet. So we'll flip down to the 8. We can see we're dipping our toes quite nicely on the 8-hour here. So it's not ready to totally fly off, but we remain patient. We have this nice trend line here. We can see some sort of flag working its way in here, right? So as we trend within this area, price likes to trend, okay? Price likes to trend. We can see we're making higher lows all the way up here, higher low here, and we didn't really get that sideways consolidation where price does like to trend most of the time, right? We've had massive upside, massive adoption. So we draw our burger, we have our buns, and we try to long the lows and short the highs, right? And we get that through volume profiles and support and resistance and Fibonacci Fibonacci areas, right? So you can see we've come down to the value area low, touch that, and we typically want to see it work its way back up. But we know that there is very key resistance right around 43,000. Okay, so that's going to be our major area in order for us to continue our way up. Clan Banjo, Alex, you were my first friend in Frankie's Discord. Much love to you. Mark Dutch is in the house. David Brumbala, what's going on? What's going on, man? All these guys coming through. INJ is doing stuff. I like that one. That volume profile across that 8 hour. That's the one. That's the one. So we're looking to bounce back up. Looking to bounce back up. Interesting stuff. Okay. Going over to the 4 hour here, we can see that we are getting lower lows. No higher highs here. So this looks like a continuation, but we are getting a nice push back right now. So I wasn't able to long Bitcoin down here. I wasn't on the charts because, Christmas, guys, come on. It's about eating food and saying hello to Bitcoin chickens and stuff like that. So we can see we got a nice bounce here. Now, does this spell, disaster, or are we going to turn over? For me right now, I'm just remaining patient, right? I want to see what I would like to see here on the 1 hour. So we can see that we've clearly put in some new lows. We've got a little bit of a dump today, but we want to see this hold and possibly get some sort of bull div. If we get a lower low and a higher high here, we can see something like that. So just being patient right now. I'm not in any trades because of the Christmas, but we're definitely trying to be patient right now. So the trade setup would be simply something like this, where you're looking for this to hold, put in a lower low, or we're looking for a bounce off, right? Until we break this structure here around 40, well, the break of structure would be around 42,900. So until we put in that higher high, you can see that we're clearly trending down until we break that structure and then put in a higher low. If we do break this structure here and we get above here, I will be looking for a retrace. And from that, I'll simply just pull a fib and I will look for a 0.5 or a golden pocket retrace from that area, as you can see right here. And then we can look for something like that. Inverse head and shoulders, pop all the way to the upside. Check Discord for crypto pollo emoji. Dave, stop it, man. Stop it. Oh, man. Oh, man. You guys. What? This is sick. Look at this shit. This is crazy, man. That's a Bitcoin chicken, man. That's a Bitcoin chicken. We're going to have to. Which way we going, Pollo? Let's go. We're going to put you. We're going to copy you. We're going to put you on our Otter Gang chart here. This is the Otter Gang where we go into the upside. Crypto Pollo. You're amongst kings here, Mr. Pollo. And Crypto Pollo has been supporting this channel. Every morning he's here. Ho, ho, ho. Mr. Crypto Chicken himself. Let's go, man. Pecking profits, baby. That's great, man. I love you guys. You guys are great. My God. We got chicken. We got Bitcoin. I can't handle you guys, man. I can't handle you guys. You guys are great. You guys are great. So we're looking for a swing failure pattern on this downtrend. We have slightly broken out of this downtrend. So I would draw something like this typically, and then I'd look for the retest. So right now, this is optional, but you can look for this to come back down to this trend line. You can see we've broken this trend line. You can look for this to come back, retest, and then shoot up. Okay, and that's just if you want to trade within the short-term time frames here. You can get down, on the nitty-gritty, how we like to call it on the 15. You can look for this to retrace and come back up, okay? If you're looking for something in the more near term, if you are looking to trade tonight. So there is that option. However, right now, I'm going to sit on my hands. I'm going to be patient for the rest of the evening and then look for something maybe tomorrow morning. I'll be setting you guys up as usual in the Discord, okay? Now, we got some alts. I heard Near and Dot, and we already gave you the Matic setup. So we'll go to Near and Dot. One thing I'm looking at is this Caspa breakout. Okay, so this is one thing I wanted to put on your guys' radar is Caspa is in this very violent downtrend. Okay, I'm looking for it to break out. We can see we're getting a nice double bottom here possibly and possible breakout. Okay, so look for the confirmation break of structure for Caspa to get a nice breakout. I do believe Caspa has a lot of upside potential considering it was all the way, this is 40% gains all the way back to these highs, okay? So definitely keep a look. Sent you one without the BG AOC with the background, yeah. I got a background removal program, so that's no problem, Dave. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you, man. We're going to have to this channel gave Dave Digital its first wrench, okay? So we're going to have to make a Dave Digital first wrench emoji. We'll get there, guys. Like, we're flustered. Santa Claus was too good to us, okay? We're flustered. So we're looking for the bounce on CAS. It has retested these highs, which is good to see, but we're looking for it to break this downward structure and put in some bullish reversal type patterns where we're making higher lows, breaking the structure of the top here. So just keep your eye on Caspa, look for the breakout of this downtrend, and look for it to confirm, okay? It's had a couple of attempts where it hasn't fully confirmed and it's fallen back underneath here. So look for it to confirm those higher lows and those higher highs. And most likely you'd like to see it get above this, 11.5 area. So just keep an eye out for that. So let's go over to Dot. I believe Dot was first, okay? So Pollo was Crypto Billy in the chat. What's going on? Hola, man. Billy in the chat. We've already shouted it out, but we're going to shout it from the rooftops today. Billy Goat Tails, guys. Faith in business, guys. Reminder should be set, okay? If your reminder isn't set, well, I'm here to remind you that, we got Billy Goat Tails, man. Giver's game, baby. Let's go. Let's go, man. Love you, Billy. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Always holding it down. Much love. Dave, cut that out, man. Cut that out, Dave. Oh, man. Cut that out. So we're going to go look at Dot for Pollo, okay? That's very important. Let's take a look for Pollo, okay? So Dot has had a ripping uptrend, okay? And it's just been flagging out, popping off, okay? Which is beautiful to see. Look who got monetized. Billy says Dave Digital with the green dot. Otter Gang, heart. Candle Mafia, man. Much love. I appreciate you, Dave. If you didn't know, every description on an AOC video, that's Dave Digital right there, man. I plan on logging that retest on CAS for sure. Yeah, that looks good. So, Pollo, you said you're long from a certain area and you're looking to add to your Dot trade. So let's jump into the 4 hour and let's take an actual close-up look at Dot. Now, we've had a nice rejection here, and you can see that we're just trying to crawl back into this upward structure. We had this 850, this 850 marked out. Okay, nice retest of this 850. So that could have been your entry there. But if we are looking to change structure, let's go to the 1 hour. Let's get into it. Okay, so you can see a beautiful. My God, this isn't fair, man. This isn't fair, man. The first day I get monetized, man. I can't handle this. I'm sweating my ass off. Crypto Billy with the $50 super chat, man. Happy New Year, bro. Much love. I love you, Billy, man. God bless you, man. God bless you and your family. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say, man. I'm just going to give you all my trade setups. I can't handle this, man. I'm sweating like a bitch. Ugh. I love you, Billy. Go to Billy Goat Tales. Share about your faith in God, man. Trust God. And without God, I would be dead, man. I'll tell you that for sure, man. I've changed my life around because of God, so that's my story. You know, I found God like 5 years ago, man, and since then, you know, I've straightened out my life. I've become a giving person, a serving person, a loving person, a kind person, because I have something to aim at. I have something to aim at. A better self, a better future, a better man for my family, for everyone. I'm sweating. But with that purpose, you know, you're able to aim to better things. You're able to help other people and realize the benefit, right? I'm not perfect, but God's perfect. So if I can aim to be a little bit of that, I believe it's within all of you guys. Service is the best way, man. At a self medicine and helping other people. Thank you so much. We got another member. Welcome, Crypto Chef, man, to the Otter Gang Muscle, man. Love you, bro. I love you. Go check out Billy tonight. We're looking for a dot pullback. Keep on with the TA. We'll keep working hard for you guys every single day, as much as we can, man. God bless you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Now I will work my hardest to be honest and truthful and kind to every single one of you guys, and try to be a good example, because it's a privilege to be in front of you guys and try to help you guys as much as I can. As much as I can. I never ever will lie or lead you guys wrong or share anything that I'm not doing. And that's always been my promise to you guys. Always. Okay, so let's look at DOT for the pullback, baby. Value area low. Okay. If we're going to get a pullback, it would be down to the $7.60 area. If you are looking to add right now and you are in from lower, that's where I would definitely look. For your pollo. Let's pull the extension here. So let's go from swing high to swing low. Get in our extension, pull that across. Okay, we're at 2 out of 2 here, 618. Okay, this isn't giving me too much data. Let's pull it from here to here. The next one, see if we got any confluence built on this one. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful touch, 2 out of 2. 618 acted as initial resistance. Okay, so this is giving me more data. We've bounced off the 786. We could come lower. However, it needs to get above this 272 level. So we'll slide this down. And if we get rejected from here, we look to come lower. Mitchell Quinn, man. €2, man. €2, that's like $200 Canadian. It's your first super chat on a live stream, Mitchell Quinn. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, Mitchell Quinn. God bless you, man. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Let's get it together this New Year. Let's fill up our bags. Let's make that work, man. Jesus is the way. God is 100% love. The opposite of love is pride. All sins are rooted in pride. Others first, givers gain. David Brumbelow, God bless you, man. David, thank you so much. You're always here. You're always sharing the stuff out, man. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. Serve others. Be kind to others. It'll all come back. It'll all come back. I'm near Toronto, Chris. I'm near Toronto. Toronto boy. Oh, my God. I need a fan. I need a fan. I didn't expect this tonight. Massive dip down. So with DOT has been trading very similarly to AVAX and Solana. You can see, look, if you look at all of them, you just flip through them, AVAX, Solana, they all look very similar, okay? They've all held this diagonal support all the way up to the roof. Okay, so we're looking for this to hold here. So if you are adding, this could be a possible opportunity where we look for it to continue its way up. Your next level is clearly right here at $8.86. If you do get rejected here, you can be looking for more downside. Okay, so that's something I would be cautious about. What I would do is I'd draw a trend line here for momentum to the downside. So you go from the top down to the bottom here, and you can see that we're just tapping this. So you want to see this downwards trend line here. You want to see this broken. So you'd like to see it flip, get above, hold the support, and then continue its way upwards, right? And then you want to see the structure change where you're putting in higher lows and higher highs and marching your way back up. Until then, I'd be patient because you could face something such as a double bottom here, and that's where there could be a great opportunity to add to your long if we do get more downside. So that's something to be very, very aware of because it's typically following the Solana and the AVAX move. Okay, Solana, very aggressive move to the upside. However, DOT looks very similar in the sense where it has moved up. So draw that downwards trend line, look for it to be broken, look for the retest and then the change of structure, and that's how I would trade DOT if I'm looking for to add to your long, depending on where you're long from. The invalidation of that point for you, Pollo, is if we lose this $8.50. Okay, this $8.50 is clearly important because it was your previous top, right? So that would mean that you're losing that as your support line that was respected multiple times. You can see that here very simply. Oh, I can't even find my drawing tools. Okay, you can see that was supported here and here. And now here, right? So you want to see it hold and then work its way back up to this trend line, right? This top is significant. It's clearly held, and the bulls want to control this on the way up. So if you do lose this area, then you're coming back down within this area here, and then you can reassess from there. But yeah, we look for a hold here and a continuation up this trend line. That's what I'd be looking for on DOT. Wait, this is Alex's first day streaming. 12 big deal. No, I stream every morning. I stream every morning, but it's my first day ever monetized. I've been making videos for just over a year now, and just been trying to help people. Be honest, you know, I'm a trader helping traders. Started off with like a lot of, my God. I can't handle this. Again. David Brumbo in the chat. $50 super chat. Forget about it. Let's go. I need a horn, man. Holy sh... David, man, God bless you. Merry Christmas. Giver's gain. Giver's gain. Oh, we got to put on the cowboy hat or something. Let's go, man. I'm sweating so much. Thank you so much, David. I always try to help you, and anything you ever want me to look at, just ask, man. You guys are ridiculous. I love you guys, man. I love you guys. Thank you so much, man. David, I would love to hear from you tonight on Billy Goat Tales, man. You always have a great message. And I know your faith is strong, and I would love to hear, you know, what's one of the best things I've learned is learning through other people's experience. And I think learning to listen, that's why God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason, right? Like I'm pretty good at yapping, as you guys know. However, these things need to work on listening, you know, from people's experience and from people's, it's not even advice when it's experience, man. It's just what they've been through, you know. It's just kindness, you know, and words of wisdom. And you always have something nice to say. So thank you so much, David, for being a part of this community. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Nothing but kindness here. You guys are amazing. Give us the intro song. Let's go with the intro song. Why not? Why not? We're gonna go through Near and keep trucking. You guys just going to work, baby. Let's go. I went from a carpenter to a day trader. Now we got our own song and people throw money at me. If you don't mind smashing up the like button, you guys are amazing. I appreciate every single one of you guys. God bless you. We're talking about faith tonight on Billy Goat Tales, man. It's gonna be absolute fire. If you don't have God in your life, you might want to reconsider, because there's a lot of good stuff that can come from that. I know it for myself to be true.
What you know about juice?
Oh my God, people getting memberships. Let's go.
A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing the luck when you follow with us. The result is a pen from the fat pie. Bada bang, that's an auto gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate.
Dave,
About the
stop
lane,
it.
about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB?
So look at me for the TRB, man.
Money come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto.
Oh
Fit the
man,
party
Merry
like a
Christmas.
disco.
God bless you guys.
Fan base like my wallet, yo.
You guys are
Stay true
amazing.
to the digital. Alexo,
It's the best stream
crypto.
of my life,
Money
man.
come up, better sit low.
We got
The
30
product
viewers
base, but it
in
drip
here.
though.
You guys
Pocket
are all
fat when
friends.
the
You ain't
chips
viewers,
low.
man. You guys are
Alexo,
outer gang.
Crypto, fit the party like
Let's
a
look at
disco.
Near.
Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo,
Stay true to the
crypto.
digital. You know who you are.
Alexo,
You know who you are.
Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
My God. My guys. God bless you guys. Pump. Flag. Pump. Pump. Flag. Pump. Man. I don't know what to say. You guys are incredible. Let's go at Near. Let's look at Near. The Celine Dion coin. God bless you, Celine Dion. I know you're not feeling well right now. I think she's sick. Some weird vocal thing. Hope you're well, you and your family. Illness is not pretty. Ever. Wish no ill upon anyone ever. So wow, massive wick on Near. You guys are fam for life, as Melissa says. Oh my God, we got Nick Musgrave. First super chat, Nick Musgrave. Oh my God. I love you, Nick. Nick's been a community member forever. He's always in the chat. He's a family man. He's a spiritual man. He's a kind man. He's an honest man. He's a good father. And I've always appreciated you having you in the Discord all the time, Nick. Thank you so much, Nick, for being so kind, being a real Otter Gang member, for sure. Always spreading the love. I appreciate you, Nick. Thank you so much for being a part of this, man. If I can ever, I always try to help you and anybody. If you ever need help, just message me in the Discord. I'll make you a video, as per usual. Thank you so much, Nick. I appreciate you, bro. Let's pull a fib. 786 bounce, consolidating sideways. Near had a massive wick down. It looks very choppy right now. Consolidating sideways, preparing for another move. Okay, so with Near, I'd be patient right now. It doesn't look too healthy. Very choppy, very, very wicky. So for me, I'd be waiting for this to put in some healthier structure. You had the massive wick down. You can see you're getting a little bit of a push up here on the momentum waves on the short-term time frames. However, it is looking more of like a consolidation hanging around this point of control. We had an NPOC over here that has been hit, so that is no longer naked. That now just becomes a point of interest, okay? Once the naked point of control is hit. Oh my God, MTC's coming through. Oh my God, what's going on? Miss Teen Crypto with the. You guys are ridiculous, man. My God. God bless you, Miss Teen Crypto. Thank you so much for all that you do in this industry. I mean, I always try to pop in on your lives in the morning and say what's up. MTC with the cookies. You're awesome and zesty, Alex. Thank you so much. God bless you, Miss Teen Crypto. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Boom, 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 boom. My God. We're spoiled here. My God, we're spoiled here. I'm going to throw you a wrench. I mean, from one influencer to another, we're going to give you a wrench. We're going to give you a wrench. We got a wrenching ceremony. We'll give you a wrench. MTC in the house. Spreading love, spreading kindness. We're going to have to get... Do we have to get the sword, Dave Digital? We got a sword. Like, we legit got a sword. We can go and get the sword. We can go and get the sword. If you want to get the sword, we'll get the sword out. My God. Oh, my God. Miss Teen Crypto in the super chats. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. We're throwing wrenches out tonight. My God. From one creator to another, God bless you. Thank you so much for all that you do. It's never easy. I mean, you're represented even on the Fox News channel, man. You want me to get the sword? Oh, God. I got to go get the sword. Okay, we're going to get the sword. We'll be right back. We'll be right back. Give me like 3... Count to 10 seconds. Oh, no. Miss Teen Crypto, do you take this wrench? We have a sword. This is my grandfather's sword. I don't know how to properly display this with the green screen. However, we will knight you as a wrench member. Bingo. Bongo. Welcome. Welcome to the Otter Gang. We have now knighted the OG, Miss Teen Crypto, with my grandfather's sword. You are now an Otter Gang mod. We will always be honest. We will always be kind, and we will always spread no FUD. Pure love. Much love, Miss Teen Crypto. Thank you for being part of the community. Woo! Oh my God. That came. Oh, we gotta play the song again. Let's go. This is crazy, man. You guys are unbelievable, man.
On it come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when
Man,
it chips low.
there's so many people here. I love you guys so much.
Like a disco. Like
make sure to check out Billy live streams. B Team Crypto with the
crypto.
Oh my God. Thank you all. Thank you for all the positive vibes, TA lessons, and thank you for being you, Alex. You're the man. I'm grateful for you and the Otter Gang.
What you know about
Let's
juice?
fucking go.
That of no casual breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking
BT
one over
Crypto.
exceptional pain. I'm
Day one, man.
No participation ain't a hard knock.
Always here
I
for you,
put in
bro.
the work so
You ever need anything, you guys join us in the free Discord. But you ask a question in the Discord. I typically will always answer it. I mean, we got Crypto Chicken in the Discord now. We love you, Randy. Thank you for representing us so well.
Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB.
Oh my God, Creighton.
Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it's crypto.
Creighton
Pockets
C.
back when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco.
You guys are
Fan base
crazy.
like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.
I can't believe it.
Alex O, crypto.
You guys are
Undercover, better
amazing.
sit low.
You guys are
The product base,
amazing.
but it's crypto. Pocket fat when the chips low.
Creighton C in the
Alex O,
chat. What's
crypto.
going
Fit the
on?
party like a disco.
BT
Fan base
Crypto.
like my wallet,
I
yo.
love you, bro.
Stay true
I love
to
you.
the digital. Alex O,
Creighton C.
crypto.
You're a legend, man. Creighton C to the POC, man. Creighton C to the POC. This is what my mom taught me, these dance moves. You got to reach for the stars. All right? Pass the bread. You got to pass the bread. Pass the bread. That's a good one. Switch sides. Reach for the stars. No, you just don't want to do like swimming motions. You don't want to pretend you're swimming when you dance. That's what I was always taught. Just, what? Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys are amazing. Jonathan Schaefer, Crypto Chef, French Toaster, man. French Toaster. Don't scare everyone away now, Alex. Otter Gang, it's an otter thing. That's how you milk a cow. Oh my God. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe. Love was So with near, my God, I can't handle this. Nate, Quantum Divergence, much love to you guys. Oh my God. Near, far. So with near, same thing. You're looking at this beautiful, beautiful. Sit and be fit. Oh my God. Near, you're looking for a continuation following up this beautiful trend line here. Creighton C to the POC. It's chilling at the POC right now. So you're naturally looking for it to hold this area and continue sideways. Okay. With near, for now, no trade. You want to see it have a swing low, just like it has before here, where it comes back down and a retest. You can pull a fib from the swing low to the swing high, where you're looking for it to come back and retest. Maybe this 0.5 here would be a good idea. If you do lose this trend line, like this is your key area here. So you're definitely looking for that to hold here around $4 and let's just go $4 flat. Psychological. My God, you guys are all in here. I was going to say that my dad's picked me up from the gym with a box of donuts. Oh my God. Canada, over here in Canada, we are the biggest donut eating country in the world. And we were actually at the donut shop today, me and Mrs. Otter. And I didn't have a donut, guys. I didn't have a donut. Do you even lift? See, like when we need to, we have a bench press behind us. So whenever we need to pump the price, we can do a Jason Casper. I mean, we're not as, juicy butt-cheeked as Jason Casper, but we love donuts here in Canada. So this trend line, guys, across the board, Solana, AVAX, we looked at DOT. What's your favorite donut? I want to know in the chat, what's your favorite donut, guys? What's your favorite donut? Mine is an apple fritter. Okay? Don't hate me. Don't hate me, but mine is an apple fritter. I'm definitely about that apple fritter life, okay? I mean, Krispy Kreme's pretty good too, man. You guys are making me hungry now. It's almost dinner time. My God. So you can see here, AVAX is trending upwards. It definitely wants to hold this support. Even if we're looking at market cipher here, we can see that we came down quite nicely on the 4-hour here. We're actually very much oversold here where we're looking for this to curl back up. And look at the posturing on the VWAP here. This is looking to push back quite aggressively. So for me with AVAX, we could have missed this trade, but this was such a sporadic an angry move that we're looking for the retest on most of these things where it's had the big dump and we're looking for the continuation upwards. And that's going to definitely be the way I look at most of these coins right now, considering Bitcoin's led the way in the sense that it's had that pushover and we're looking for that continuation, right? So we've had the move down. We're looking for the change of structure, right? So we're looking for the higher low and the continuation upwards. We want to see it get above this 43,000. That would mean bulls are back in control. However, we've had quite an aggressive push down. There's a CME gap below us. It's Christmas time, so it's a lot of different volatility in the markets right now. Oh, we got chocolate donuts. We got glazed for sure. We got Krispy Kreme Billy. Yes, man. Apricot jam is the shut. You even censored yourself. Boston cream. Oh, Boston cream, man. So the problem with Boston creams or any chocolate donut, do you ever get them in a bag and then you go to take the donut out of the bag and all the icing is in the bag? Guys, have you ever had that happen to you where you take the donut out of the bag and all the chocolate icing is stuck in the bag? Let me know. Let me know. That is absolutely the worst. That's like, man, where's my chocolate, man? Where's my chocolate? Bear claws and milk? What's bear claws and milk? Oh, man. I'm apple fritter or French cruller. Ooh, French cruller is good too. They're really like soft. They're really soft. My God. You guys are crazy. It's got to be in a box, man. If it's not in a box, then like, what are we doing here? You're really like spreading the FUD. That's like trading XRP right now. Oh, I went there. That's like the stable coin. Oh man. So oh my God. We're setting records for the amount live here, man. Smash those likes, guys. This is like a record. 35 live, man. We've gotten 78 views. This is like a world record here for the Alex O Crypto channel. We're all just here talking about donuts and trying to do TA. We're here live every single day. Our new live time at 5:30, but we do an update video in the morning, and we're also doing updates in the Discord with trade ideas, trade setups. They're not financial advice, but we're always here trying to help you guys as much as we can. You know, we're not here to charge you anything. We're just here to give everything away for free. And all these super chats and stuff from you guys tonight is just, I mean, I feel so blessed. Christmas, I said, yesterday was Christmas, but my grandfather had a fall in the morning. And, it was hard, but we pushed on and we still had a family get together. And it was so important. So health is wealth. Let's never forget that. Community is everything. God will take care of you guys no matter what, and perseverance and persistence and honesty and kindness will carry you through. So thank you so much for being here and for supporting me. I'm fucking speechless. I even swore there. I try not to swear. Okay. So let's look at Solana. Solana's overcooked, okay? It's definitely taken a hit, okay? Massive push up to $1.27. Wild, okay? Wild. And the funny thing is I was asking the community if I should add to my Solana bags. The meme is right here, okay? This is where I asked. Literally on the 18th of this low, I asked the community, I'm like, guys, should I add to my Solana bags? And I didn't, and this happened, okay? So we had the massive push up. and a lot of bullishness on Solana. Alex O, being an XRP long for 3 weeks now. Playing Lunar Beaches Crypto, playing with my son and his new toys. That's amazing. Hey, Alex, see you tomorrow. Yeah, we could look to do a collab tomorrow if you want, man. I'm always down. I'm always down, man. Always down. Just hit me up in the Discord and we'll talk about it, man. We'll set something up, man. Thank you so much, LBC, for being here. So with Solana, massive push back down to this point of control. Look at that, man. You can't write it. Like, it's just perfectly to the TA. Look at that beautiful bounce it's had. Okay, back up another 10%. But yeah, my God, this is very easy to see. You can see here you're getting higher highs and lower lows. Okay, this is so typical. Okay, this is so typical of your perfect setup. You got your higher highs and your lower lows on the downside here. Perfect swing failure pattern coming up to a key level of resistance that we had marked out. We had 130 marked out, but we also had this 121. So we were getting very much overbought on Solana. You know, all the bullishness, all these people like loving their bonk and all the Solana. My God. I can't even get through one coin without you guys. By the way, we love you, bro. Keep pushing. Value is not always free. We appreciate your face. Otter effing gang. FYP. Givers gain. Otter gang. Cookie. MTC's cookie, right? We got hearts. We got chickens. We got Candle Mafia. We got Piano Matty Bees. We got beavers. What was it? I identify as an otter/beaver. You guys kill me, man. My God. You guys are incredible. I love you guys so much, man. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. I'm going to continue to fight for you guys. We'll continue to work this. Okay. Deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. Keep pushing. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Okay, so you can see there's an entry up into this higher level here, and we have a point of control, but we also have the initial start of the volume, okay? That's what's going to be the big roadblock in Solana's way. Not like there's much roadblocks in the way, but we got this one. I love you, Dave. I love you, Dave. I love you, Dave, okay? So we're putting in we're in new territory, okay? All these gray lines here that we've marked out are from previous ranges, okay? So these are key levels that we have on our way up that were actually quite nicely respected. You can see coming up, we did get a little bit of a wick out, so we can adjust these to be more accurate here on our way up for the next one, right? So we can see that we had some multiple stops and candle closes. So we look for this trend line to hold, as we are with a lot of the other coins, right? We have the momentum to the upside. You can throw on a simple EMA here. I got a 21 and a 9, and I would suggest going out to at least the 12 hour to the daily, where you're looking for this to continue to hold on its way up, right? You can see the 9s holding on the way up. So the retest of the 21 wouldn't surprise me, but right now the narrative is Solana, right? So for Solana to continue its way up, we look for the break of this downtrend and then a continuation upwards. For me, I would go over to the 30. I'd mark out this, and you can see actually you're getting quite a nice move right now. So you're looking for the break of this and then the retest and then the continuation upwards. You know where your key level is in order to get above here. For us to continue up is this, 111, 112 area. Okay, that's going to act as resistance, and then you can expect price to consolidate and move up, right? So you can expect a consolidation and then a continuation, right? So consolidation above here would be nice. You flip it to support, consolidate, you wait for that bull div, you grab the bull div, and you ride the wave upwards, okay? It's beautiful the way Solana has been working all the way up here. I'm digging the Halloween candles. Much love, Creighton C. It's my candles are orange and purple. Mrs. Otter, her favorite color is purple. Mine is orange. So it reminds me when I'm trading, the Mrs. is kind of watching. She's making sure that, no degenning. It makes me having a reminder of my Mrs. on my charts reminds me of who I'm working for, right? The boss, right? She's a sweetheart, but she also helps me be better, right? And through that, it's a nice reminder. That's why they're purple and orange, man. I love orange. It's always have, but that's why we do that. So Sol, definitely looking to continue its way upwards, get above this 112, hold it as support, and flip this downwards trend that it's been rejected. But come on, guys, it's had a massive, massive move, right? Okay. Link suppressed. Okay. Link is also something I've been looking at. Suppressed right now. It's been knocked down. But remember, Link tends to come sideways all the time. So we get the big consolidation like we did in the bear market and then the massive move up, okay? We're getting a nice consolidation now. We have some lower levels that we're aware of on Link, but it seems to be holding this 1350 area quite nicely. So I have a box down there in case we do dip down there. But for me, Link tends to continue sideways, do its own thing, and then have that massive eruption, okay? So I'm just waiting for a massive eruption on Link. Right now, it is making higher lows, so we want to see that continuation of that trend because it did get knocked down quite nicely, and we're looking for that continuation all the way up. Okay, so we're definitely watching that for Link. Matic. Matic's been the big mover, okay? Now, we talked about this at the beginning of the stream, but for me, Matic, you can see we're not up in this area where simply a lot of coins have gotten to now. So this is where Solana, Bitcoin is trading, and you can see Matic had a great move in the bear market and then got suppressed quite heavily, and then there was a little bit of FUD holding it down. So Matic is finally getting a move, and if you aren't watching Sin City Crypto, Rob yelled at all of us and told us to buy more Matic, so I listened, and I was able to scoop up some more Matic down here at 75 cents. Thank you, Rob, for that. Filled up my bags just a little bit more on Matic. Now, it's had this massive move, and if you aren't in our free Discord, we gave the trade setup from here. We had a beautiful flag breakout. We gave the long setup from here, and we have definitely capitalized on that Matic trade. So join us in the free Discord if you're not already, but that was a massive move. Now, if there's any other alts you guys would like me to look at, just throw them in the chat. I'll have a quick peek before I get off, but this has been an absolute pleasure, a privilege, if anything, to be able to come live stream, and you guys just absolutely spoiled me, man. I don't even know. I'm lost for words, man. I just try to be honest and transparent and help you guys make money as best as I can. And you guys have just blown my mind today. So thank you so much again from the bottom of my heart. Let's look at Ethereum here. So Ethereum seems to be suppressed. However, I think January is going to be absolutely crazy for Ethereum. There are, I think, 4 or 5 phases that are coming out in January and February for Ethereum to get cheaper. So this is going to be either bearish or bullish for Ethereum, but I think if all goes well, by mid-February, Ethereum could have quite a nice move considering how suppressed it has been. Mrs. Otter, what's going on? Am I coming up for dinner? Yeah. Everybody's come through and spoiled me. I'm lost for words. Mrs. Otter. I don't even know what to say anymore. Mrs. Otter says hello. Wave. Merry Christmas, she says. My God. Mrs. Otter says hello. Sends her love. But yeah, we're gonna have dinner soon. Okay. I gotta check out ICP. Insane Clown Posse. There's an Ethereum upgrade in February, I think. Yeah, there's 4 phases, January, like mid-January and February. So upgrade coming to Ethereum. I think it's going to make it cheaper. So insane upgrade coming for Ethereum. Ethereum has been suppressed. Okay, so Ethereum, we think Ethereum should be up here trading above this $2,600 level. It is not. It's suppressed. So for me, Ethereum has a lot more legs to go. And obviously Solana's had that big move. But hola to the flying hand. Mrs. Otter saying hello. Hola, says Billy. Oh, yay, Mrs. Otter. Yeah, Mrs. Otter is always holding it down, man. She's a sweetheart. She has her own little channel she has as well. Mrs. Otter. She covers podcasts and stuff like that, so maybe I'll show her link one day. Maybe we'll show her link. So let's go over. We're looking for Ethereum to continue its move up. Draw this trend line, my friends, and if you're longing on these trend lines, you're doing all right. We'll have a quick look at ICP, and then we're gonna head off. My God, I don't even know what to think. I'm just blessed. And make sure you guys are all on Billy Go Tails tonight. Come on, right? So you got this 880 for ICP. You've had the massive move up. You can see that it's kind of scary because this is typically bearish, but you've held this level down here. So you look for the breakout and the change of market structure. For me, you can see that you're getting definitely some suppression here and some exhaustion of the wicks, but you look for the breakout, then the retest, and then you long, right? So you look for the change of market structure depending on how good of a breakout you get. So being patient here, I think, is the name of the game. You've come down to this $850 area that's held as pretty good support right now. So you can see that's holding. Your next level to get above is $11 and $12.50. So that's definitely what I'm looking for on ICP. But a lot of the same here, where you've had the massive wick down, consolidation, and you look for continuation to the upside, right? The trend is your friend until the end. So it's going to be an interesting ride, my friends. As long as you're not trading this, you should be all right. That's the joke of the day. That's the joke of the day. My God. So what else am I supposed to say? We've knighted Midstream Crypto. We've been spoiled by all of you guys. You guys are the kings tonight. Thank you, guys. Here you go. We have now crowned you all. I will continue to show up. I will continue to try to do my best for you guys. Honest, kind, transparent. I love every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. God bless you guys. And let's have a little dance party. Why not? Thank you guys so much. Peace out. Much love. God bless. And see you on Billy Goat Tales. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. For a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto,